Stop me if this sounds familiar. You walk into a room full of people and suddenly, it happens. Your palms sweat. Your brain screams, what do I say? How do I get them to like me? Yeah, been there. But here's the truth. Getting people to like you isn't about being perfect. It's about making them feel something. And lucky for you, I've got the cheat codes. Cheat code number 1. The 2-word trick that makes you irresistible. Those 2 words, tell me, are magic, because here's the secret nobody tells you. People don't remember what you say. They remember how you made them feel, and nothing feels better than being interesting. Cheat code number 2. The oh wow you remembered effect. Remembering small details is like emotional witchcraft. It whispers, you matter. And guess what? People will walk through fire for someone who makes them feel that way. Cheat code number 3. The vulnerability loophole. Here's the paradox. The more you try to look cool, the less people connect with you. But show a crack? Laugh at your own flaws? That's where real likability lives. Cheat code number 4. The Me Too button. Your mission. Find the weird, the specific, the wait you to? Because shared weirdness builds bonds faster than any small talk ever could. So, here's your ultimate hack. Be the person who notices, who remembers, who cares. Because in a world full of people shouting to be heard, the one who listens wins. Now go forth and be that person.